In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Webflow subscription. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Webflow, whether it's because you're switching to another platform or simply cutting back on expenses, I'm here to guide you through the process. Let's make this as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. This is your starting point, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage your sites, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you haven't spent much time here before. Now that you're on your dashboard, look towards the menu and find the option labeled Billing. Usually, it's located just under Need Plans. Clicking here will direct you to the billing section, where your subscriptions and payment details are managed. It's important to ensure you're in the right section to access the options we need for cancellation. Next, you'll want to search for the option to cancel your subscription. This might be labeled as Cancel Subscription, Cancel Plan, or Cancel Site Plan. The exact label might vary, but it should be somewhere within this billing area. Once you've located it, click on it. This is the step where we signal to Webflow that you're ready to cancel your plan. After selecting the cancellation option, Webflow might prompt you with a confirmation message. This is a standard practice just to double-check your decision. Here, you might also be asked to provide feedback on why you're choosing to cancel. While this step is optional, it's always good to share your insights as it can help them improve their services. Once you've provided any necessary information, confirm your cancellation. Generally, Webflow will send a confirmation email to your registered email address to verify that the cancellation process has gone through. Keep an eye out for this email, as it's a good indication that everything is complete. Finally, after confirming the cancellation, you'll have the chance to review automatically created backups of your previous work. Webflow saves these versions to ensure you don't lose any important work if you decide to return later. Take a look at these backups, and if you find a version you'd rather keep or return to, simply click Restore to ensure you have access to your desired content. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Webflow subscription. Remember, you can always resubscribe if you change your mind or need their services again in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.